someone who has passion for acting, music, dance, drawing, and all these skills, then I have few career options for you guys, graduation courses for you in this video. So if you want to know more about all these kind of stuff, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So first career, so the first course I have you for is BArch, Bachelor of Architecture. It's a 5-year course, guys. And in this course, you will study how the buildings work, planning of the building, structure of the building, and everything, every smallest detail of the building you will learn here. You have to be creative enough to know where all the things should come, how you should plan certain things, how you should plan a hospital, and all these. They will give you basic idea about this. So for this course, all you need to have is great amount of patience because it's a 5-year course. So in the field or in the course, you might get frustrated at a point. So you should have patience for this. Let's move into the next one. Next one is B Planning. It's Bachelor of Planning. It's very similar to architecture, but it's a 4-year degree course. And B Planning has this entire urban planning, town planning, these kind of things. So, like new cities which are going to be planned, like Amravati, all these have planners in them. Even they have architects, but planning is more of for a large scale. And architecture is also large scale, but planning comes everything how you lay out the things in transport system, where the plots, industrial plots, or all these sites will come, different aspects of the city. This will be taught in planning. So both these BR and B planning are reputed courses, and even IITs have these courses like IIT Roorkee and IIT Kharagpur has architecture, and few NITs have architecture. BITS has B planning. BITS Mersa is very famous for the planning. So let's move into the next one. Next one is BDES. If you're someone who love fashion design, who love interior design, who has love for making jewelry design or accessory, all these stuffs are taught in B Design, Bachelor of Design course. So it's a 4-year course, and it has renowned institutes. It has renowned institutes like NIDs and many other renowned even IITs have Department of Design. So this course has many specializations like in graphic designing and in communication design. It has animation and filmmaking, and it has courses like film and video communication, and it has course like communication design. Even it has textile design, all these sort of courses. But textile related stuffs are much famous in our up next graduation course, which I'll talk. So next one is BF Tech. It's a Bachelor of Fashion Technology. So NIFT, you might have heard. It's a famous college, NIFT. These are the colleges that produce Bachelor in Fashion Technology. Basically deals with the fashion design. So Sabyasachi Mukherjee or many fashion designers are graduates of the NIFT colleges. It also has courses like textile design, knitwear design. It has footwear design, fashion accessory design, fashion communication, like you can become a stylist and all. So this course is all about clothing and accessory industry. So this is designed for that. So last one, BDES is also about industrial design and product design. Product design, I mean, you can make like final textures of the phone, UI designs where you find you can make icons and all these layouts within your software. So BDES and BF, Bachelor in Fashion Technologies, both the fields are in high demand these days. So BDES is also going to pay you equivalent as an engineer. So the companies like Uber, Ola, Amazon, all these hire B design students, and fashion technology is in boom due to media industries. So both have great future, guys. Next one is Bachelor of Fashion, Bachelor in Fine Arts. So, Bachelor in Fine Arts is the course which is divided into two categories. Mainly, it has visual communication or visual design in one aspect. Other one is performance art. Visual design has courses like applied arts, illustrator, and these are the specialization in this fine art course, like creative decor, or interior decorator, and all these come in visual thing. Even the sculpture is related to the visual aspects of the Bachelor of Fine Arts. Then there is another part of it which is into the field of the performance art, the drama, theater, music. So that is performance art. So that can also you can study in the Bachelor of Fine Arts colleges. So Bachelor of Fine Arts like applied arts and all help you to move in advertisement industries, and it teaches you a lot about graphic design and many other design skills like storyboard, narration, and all these. And performance art lead you for the acting career or a choreography or these kind of careers. So if you are someone who is interested in these kind of courses, these are the courses you should check, guys. So in my upcoming videos, I'm going to talk in detail about all these courses because I just touched up on these courses. So if you want to know more, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, and I will individually talk about the BArch and all these courses, the Bachelor of Design, all these courses, and how can you go to them, how which are the best colleges for that. I'll tell you in my upcoming videos. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.